Man, oh man, is it early. 5:40. I head to Charlotte early. It's 100 miles away. Gets me there the first appointment. So let's get on the road. Boy, it's early. I'm on Highway 74 now. Little Scottish breakfast this morning here on the way to Charlotte. Just in Shelby here now. It's a medium-sized town along Highway 74. The Deadly Ball right at the horizon here, driving east. That's bright. Interstate 85 here now. One of the cool things with Autopilot is it can drive right into the sun like this and have no issues. We found the traffic here on Interstate 85, but Autopilot's got it. This is amazing. Autopilot drives right into the sun.
In 1 mile, take exit 2B on the left onto Independence Boulevard toward North Carolina 27 East.
Downtown Charlotte. I'm here at Tesla's service. As you can see, the big crack in the window. That should disappear this afternoon when they get the window repaired, and I'll be on the way home.
All right.
So this is one of my followers. This is Bert Green.
Very nice to be here today. It's my pleasure, Dave, to meet you and have such an interesting conversation here at Tesla while we're getting our vehicle serviced.
Yeah, Bert has his Model 3 or Model Y, correct?
Model 3.
Model
Standard
3,
range.
Standard Range Model 3 in for service from South Carolina, and I'm here getting my windshield fixed. Nice meeting you, Bert.
It's nice to meet you too.
See you again, all right?
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Thanks a lot. When you arrive at the service center, your car knows this. It actually connects up to the local Wi-Fi and checks you in. Automatically, your car is then entered into whatever queue that may be here, but it's an automatic process. Of course, if you just want to change your tires to winter or rotation, the service center would be happy to do that here. They keep tires in stock. If you need a new tire because of some mishap on the road, they can easily handle that here at the Tesla Service Center. Also, the mobile technician has the capability of doing the same. He can replace a tire if he knows what it is, right there at your home or work. It is a good day. The guys worked on my window. Got a brand new Tesla windshield and no crack. Awesome. Should be good to go. Everything's calibrated. all the latest things. So it's been a good trip. Got a few other things that were called into question that engineering wanted to check. They did that, so we're good to go. So let's get out of here and head home. All right, well, let's navigate home. So here's what the map's done. There's a conundrum right here, and it looks like they're driving us around and get on the thing. That's what you get when you come here. And looks like I got 100 miles to go, so let's get on the road and move it out. I'm just coming into Forest City, North Carolina. Getting close, heading that way. Weather's good, it's a little warm. It's 86 here today. Almost home. I had a great day. Went to Charlotte, it was 97 miles. I was there from about 7:40 through about 2:45 p.m. in the afternoon. They did all kinds of stuff on the car. The primary mission, of course, was to do the window, which they've replaced. They then replaced some sensors, I guess, were some kind of an upgrade from some temperature sensors in the heat pump. They had to drain the Freon and recover it and then put new stuff in. Got all that done. I had them take a look at seat back that was making noise, and they fixed that. And then there was some other little engineering things. Since this is serial number 431, they wanted to check to see how it was working. Plus I have 28,000 miles on the Model Y here. All in all, everything was good. Car came back fine. Everything's working great. The window is unbroken now, so that's a good thing. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen will get you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging, and this code is good worldwide. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.